So it's the day after the big sell-off, and what are we thinking? We're not too concerned. We weren't too concerned yesterday, and today, not a whole lot is going on. We closed relatively flat. The price per barrel dipped into the $69 territory, but only for a brief moment, and then came back into the 70s. That was good to see. The energy stocks opened up, went down, some went up towards the end of the day. Looks like yesterday was very much a capitulation. We obviously saw that strong rally into the close. I'm not saying that's a high-level indicator of anything. We saw a sell-off into the close today. I'm not looking into the sell-off into the close today as anything significant. Just, there is the presence of weak hands. People might be worried about what the Fed is going to say tomorrow, but I don't think anybody's going to be surprised what they say tomorrow. And I do think it's going to have an effect on the market, but not in the areas we are. I feel very good about where we are. If you look at today and look at the price per barrel action today, not only did we bounce off of the $69 territory, just kind of dipping in, coming right back out, but we saw the November contract at a larger gain than the October contract. And this indicates to us and to the entire market that the traders within the market, and I don't like the paper traders, but even companies trying to hedge their future energy costs, expect the cost to be up in November versus October. And that means continuing rising energy prices. Energy stocks have a lot of room to go to catch up just to where they are right now. So if they expect prices to continue rising, well, that gives us a whole lot of runway for energy stocks. Yesterday, if you go to yesterday's video, I was wearing a gold Rolex. I no longer am an owner of that gold Rolex. It has been sold. And the vast majority of those proceeds have already been used to purchase Exxon, OIH, and Schlumberger options, call options, longer leap options. And a piece of it will go towards my startup card. So I'm all in. I'm not just talking here. I'm in. My money is literally where my mouth is. I'm remaining long energy. Not a whole lot's going on today. Things are flat, but it's actually looking quite good for energy, particularly in the WTI market. The stocks are looking good too. I know the chart on the 1 month, on the week, on the 3 month, might not look that great, but it looks like the August 19th low is holding. With the exception of energy transfer, the vast majority, all the ETFs, August 19th area, that's the low. And besides that, it looks like it's creating a reverse head and shoulders. And this can be viewed as some sort of retest, a retest. Are we going to break, and is there just a whole lot of selling left? And I think that ended yesterday. I think the vast majority of the selling ended yesterday. Yes, today we were down. Price per barrel was down. Maybe, okay, fine, I'll give you today. We had a little bit more selling happen, but then it was gone. And we recovered. And we just slowly had a little bit more buying than selling. So, or at least pressures. Buying pressures and selling. So let's let things play out. Everything covered in yesterday's video remains intact. We're just going to let things play out. So that's the deal for today. And until next time, peace out.